Hey, what's going on, guys? The manufacturer sent me this 2-pack of oil filters for the Kubota tractors. Again, it comes in a 2-pack. It's good for both the L and the M series. So I just want to open it up and let you know first impressions, give you a close-up look at it. So again, this is the actual package, how it shows up. So this is what you can expect to receive. So open up and take the first one out of the box. Up close look, you can see it is wrapped up in its individual plastic container or wrapper. So let me just pull this plastic off here so you can get a better look at it. There you go. So this is an industrial, like heavy duty grade oil filter, good for agriculture. Reading through the listing and some of the specs on it, it has really good filtration performance. So wide variety of uses on the tractor, not uses, but wide variety of replacement filters for your Kubota tractors. Then you can see it has a nice heavy duty seal there. So if you've done your own oil changes, that's important to keep your oil from leaking. Has kind of I'm not sure if you can tell in the picture on the camera, kind of these indents for finger grip. So it makes it really easy to tighten and loosen your filter. So when you're ready to replace them again, you can get them back off easy and get your second one tightened back on there. So again, just up close look, really heavy duty quality. It feels really strong. Again, really industrial. So I think if you do have that tractor and you need an oil filter, this is definitely a good one to take a look at. I think from what I'm seeing from it and what I read about it, it's very high quality, and you would expect to have less oil changes and easier oil changes once you do have to do them.